How to put custom shapes in Google Slides. So in this video today we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my image. Just select that image. Okay, and here from here you can crop that image like this. Okay, whatever you want you can crop from here. You need to just click that blank corner. Okay, let me delete this image. Let me upload the fresh image to you. Okay, now you can simply crop here. You can crop the image size if you want. After you done, you can just click outside, the image will be cropped. Now if you want to put the custom shapes on this image, just select the image again. Here you can see this is teeny down arrow. Just click on it, and here you can see the lots of shape like arrows, rectangles, oval, call out, equals, equations, whatever you want you can take it, and you can just select that shapes and your image will be convert into this shape. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.